Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of hamsters Kombert coins for free. So before I dive into that, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do what, subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. If you do not have any, I will drop a link at the description sections for you so that you can use it to sign up, right? So all you just need to do is to come to this like notification center, this advert space. Yeah, come to this advert space. All right, and what you're going to go into search for like right now is Hamster Kombert coins. Let's see what Hamster Kombert coin hold for us. So keep drawing, keep drawing, keep drawing, keep checking until you find something of this nature, hamster. Then you click on it. So after clicking on it, you're gonna go into like a search patient for it to load. You can see new listing hamster slash USDT. Grab a share of 70,000 hamster price pool. You see, I'm going to show you how you can grab this your share like right away. Okay, so let's quickly go down. So the next thing you're just going to do is to like look at it carefully and register. It say hamster token splash 62,000 hamster up for grab. Okay, what do you have to do to make this? Let's look at it. It said during this period simply sign up on Bybit and complete identity verification level 1. Accumulate a deposit volume of at least 10,000 hamster or deposit 100 USDT and trade 100 USDT worth of hamster via your first trade using your Bybit account. Good. Then the first 25,000 new users to complete both steps will each receive 2,000 hamster. That's good. Then the third one says part 2, trade to earn from a 12,000 hamster price pool. Event period is 26, which is the day hamsters was launched 12 p.m. noon UTC to October. This is when this activity will last. All right, so all you just need to do is to make sure you first click on register to register. Then you're going to go into make a deposit, which is the second one. So you're going to go into in this place. This is the second phase. You register as well, then you trade as well, then you invite. Okay, about Hamster Kombert is viral telegram based crypto games where you can mine hamster coin by managing virtual crypto exchange. Hamster serves as its utility token. Asset name Hamster Kombert, ticker HMSTR. Learn more. Alright, so we're going to come to this first place here and click on register. Let's see, we're going to click on register. Good. Now we're going to click on register. So what you just need to do is to like come to this place and says login and register and say register now. All right, so trade and earn 12,000 hamster. We've already said that. Trade task start September 26th, which is the day it was launched, and it will end. Look at this place, and it will end October 10. So hurry up and do not waste your time. So if you as I click on register, then it will show you that you have registered the event successfully. Get ready to trade when the task begin to grab a price of a pool. Okay, it was completed. Complete task. So in this complete task now, this is where I would like going to trade. I like going to trade after I have secured yeah, after I have secured my 100 USDT equivalent, I'm going to come here to like click on trade. So if I click on trade now, it's going to navigate me straight to Hamster Spot for me to like paste my trade to complete my activities. Okay, so I've been on this trade right from day one though, but it's not up to 100, like, yeah, it's not up to 100 USDT, but I've been on this trade since from day one. Okay, since from day one I've been on this trade, and you can see I have current volume of 4405.843382 of a hamster. So all I just need to do now, this one is 30, I think it's 30 USDT equivalent. This is 30 USDT equivalent. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to like let's say fund 100 USDT and join this trade. All right, I'll fund 100 USDT and join this trade, but I will wait for when this market opportunity is high, because it's not actually going to the directions I want. So I will wait, I will hold on a little. When the market stabilize, when I see a high opportunity with Hamster, then I can trade at that very time, so that I can also like make my profits, and everything will be okay, right? So that is exactly what you just need to do to make this like a profit for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. If you do have any question, do not hesitate to like drop it at the comment sections, and I will I will attend to you ASAP. And regarding this market movement predictions of Amstel, going to drop a video still later in the day. Let's see how are we to hold this coin, or we are to let it go. All right. So thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.